How to trade on crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can trade on crypto.com. So in order to trade on crypto.com, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So basically trading means selling or buying cryptos on crypto.com. In order to do this procedure, first of all log in and then tap the trade icon located in the bottom of your screen. As soon as you do that, it's going to direct you to it's going to show you the interface something like this. So from here you'll need to go ahead and select either buy or sell. Now if you're selling the cryptos, then just tap the sell button. Similarly, if you're buying the cryptos, tap the buy button. Now only difference for this procedure is going to be that in order to buy cryptos you'll need to have a payment method, and while you're selling your cryptos you need to have a coin or enough coins. Next page, it's going to ask you to select the crypto that you wish to either buy or sell. Select either one of it, and then you'll be asked to enter in the amount of bitcoins that you want to buy if in case of buying cryptos. If you want to sell cryptos, then you'll have to enter the exact amount of cryptos that you wish to sell. And for buying process you have to add a payment method, and similarly for selling process you do not need to add any of the payment method. Once done confirming, tap the buy button located right at the bottom. Next page, you need to go through it all or the information that you provided and click on confirm, which is located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully bought cryptos or that you've successfully sold cryptos on crypto.com. So these were some of the ways on how you can trade on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.